Hey, what's up guys? Kat right here. So I help you beautify your home and yard, and I have fun doing it. So today we'll be doing a bit of a facelift or some beautifying to our man cave. So stick around. 3 weeks ago, 3/4 of our whole basement was flooded. You'll have to watch that video, but because of that, this room is our theater room. But to tell you the truth, I like to name it the man cave just because that's mostly what goes down here is men playing video games. But this is a really awesome room. It's got a really cool fireplace back there. Josh is gonna help me. We're just gonna black out all of these walls, ceiling, and floor.
You can see all these holes we put in the walls from where we had our fight over what color to paint this room. So I'm gonna patch these up. She's pretty strong, but I took her.
You took me.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
About to start our princess paint project.
And Josh is doing the detailed spot around the fireplace and the TV, because this fireplace is really awesome. It's beautifully done, and of course we don't want paint on our TV that's hanging there, so that's what we're working on now. I'm doing taping, he's doing the painting. So Josh is continuing with rolling the ceiling. He's doing an awesome job on that. I have the paintbrush and I'm going around all the edges so I can get in all of the cracks. And we are gonna black out that door completely.
Yeah.
You little stinker. Oh. Okay friends, well we have been here painting for like 7 hours now. I'm exaggerating, but we have the ceiling done, the walls done. Josh is just doing the floor, and I'm gonna go around and do some touch-ups. So we're coming along. Okay, well we are basically done with the painting here. I am very pleased about this. Now we just gotta let it dry, and then we'll add all the finishing touches. Yes. So we are on the second day of this job. We are putting a finish on the floor so it can be very durable.
Nice, we're almost done.
Yes.
Just putting the last bit of polyurethane on. Kat's gonna pour it for me.
That's like a perfect amount. That'll give you a nice amount to do a second coat on some of those areas.
Just right.
Sweet.
Thank you.
The next big step to this project is setting up our rug. We definitely looked into the pricing of putting carpet, but the rug is, in my opinion, a lot more beautiful and much cheaper than putting in carpet. So we're down here on another day. We've got basically the rug set out, we got the speaker set up, and Josh has been working very hard on this. I really love the Joker kneeboard back there, and then there's some of Josh's artwork. But now we just got the biggest project to do here, is set up that couch. So the next step to this project is to replace the light fixture. I'm personally a little bit nervous with electrical and I don't know much about it. So I have my dad here to help us because he's definitely a pro.
It's the brightest it's ever been in here.
Oh my goodness.
Holy cow.
Just be careful. I wish there were a few more screws to connect on that.
Yeah,
Yes.
there you have it.
Yeah.
You can just like
Oh.
do like
Wow.
What?
Pretty slick.
Cool. This fireplace is made out of beautiful rock ink. Oh, it's just so pretty. I wish you could see it closer. But it did come with this fire guard. Man, this thing's probably 70 years old. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but we are replacing it. So we're taking this one out of here. Oh, it's not that heavy. But this thing is great because it pulls it a little bit away from the fire, so we don't have to worry too much, but so much prettier.
Yeah. Next video coming right up.
Well, I am so extremely excited about this because this door is going to be so cool. Josh told me he was going to do this door kind of like a castle door, but it's so fun to watch Josh do all of his installing abilities, playing with the blowtorch. He does this sort of stuff at work, but I just do not get to see it. So, okay guys, I am so excited about this. We are done with this project, and to tell you the truth, it is all blacked out. I was way against that thought. I was just like, blacked out room? No. But that is one of my favorite things. So yes, we have all of our snowboards over there. We have 15 snowboards. I love that we have one hanging, but another favorite part of mine is this door. It is so cool. I wish you could get up close and see all those mini details. We can get up close. Yeah. Okay. The camera doesn't totally show it, but yes.
Yeah, it doesn't do it.
It is really awesome. And then the other really great part is this picture, because Josh and Shiloh really love their video games. I love how it's wonderful. And anyway.
Just go once around.
Yeah, why don't you just
see how you've decorated it.
Yes. Isn't it great? This is wonderful. So if you're considering a fully dorked out man cave, I'd give it a 2 thumbs up, and do that. I'm gonna be enjoying lots of time with Josh on this. So remember, work hard, play hard.